right now, we're busy doing 2 projects. Yung isa, teleserye, yung We'll Never Say Goodbye with ABS-CBN. And the other one is a movie under Star Cinema. Yung working title is Crossroads. So naghahalinhinan kami, like alternating weeks. Like this week it's Crossroads, and then another next week it's the taping We'll Never Say Goodbye. Pero right now, hindi pa namin alam kung kailan kami e-ere for the teleserye. Yun, haantayin na lang natin ng announcement ng network. Tapos yung sa Star Cinema naman na movie, we're trying to make abot a June showing for the movie. I think Bea and I, in the whole movie, there's only one scene lang ata nang makikita kami.
Okay.
So, I read na kasi the full script, no? So far, it's looking really good. I'm very happy for Sharon because I think the industry, well, we've all missed her. Everybody is here in this network, di ba? So, marami na rin nakamiss sa kanya. So, mabuti naman at nakabalik na siya. So, matter of fact, the day that she signed the contract, nag-tweet ako to say congratulations and welcome back. I mean, she's back with the family again. So, it's exciting because at least binigyan siya ng show gaya nung Your Face Sounds Familiar, which is doing so well. So, I'm sure marami pang mga malalaking projects pa. It will always be nice to work with Sharon again. We'll wait sa mga bossings natin sa network. Sila naman ang nagde-decide dyan.